Welcome back to the KetoBakes YouTube channel, where we make keto baking super easy, fast, and fail-proof. Today, we'll be making the sweet and tart keto cranberry parfaits made with our vanilla cake mix and our vanilla pastry cream mix. Bake and cool your vanilla cake mix, then cut into equal circles that will fit inside your parfait cups. Make your vanilla custard and your cranberry sauce according to the directions on the package. Start each parfait cup by adding 1 layer of cake, 2 tablespoons of pastry cream, and 1 tablespoon of cranberry sauce. Then you're going to repeat the layers. 1 layer of vanilla cake, 2 tablespoons of pastry cream, and 1 tablespoon of cranberry sauce. Use a toothpick to swirl the cranberry sauce into the pastry cream for a cute little design. Your friends and family are going to love the light and buttery taste of our vanilla cake that's layered in between our velvety smooth pastry cream and our sweet and tangy cranberry sauce. Thanks for joining us today, and as always, you can find this recipe and all of our mixes at KetoBakes.com.